Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. Today we're making a potato. Not the kind you fry or mash, but the super cute, cuddly kind that'll never go bad in your kitchen. This little potato is squishy, silly, and the perfect addition to our Veggie crochet family. Let's get hooking and turn some yarn into a spud buddy. To crochet this little potato, you only need a few simple tools. Some 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, a needle for sewing, a forceps for stuffing all that squishy fiber inside, and a pair of scissors. Let's start with the body. Begin with a magic ring and make 6 single crochets into it. When you finish, just pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring nice and neat. Then slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. And chain 1 to start the next round. We'll repeat this slip stitch and chain at the end and start of every round. For round 1, work an increase in every stitch. That's 2 single crochets in each stitch. Finish off with a little slip stitch into the first stitch. And don't forget to chain 1 to kick off the next round. For round 2, make 1 single crochet, then follow by 1 increase, and repeat this sequences 6 times. You should have 18 stitches at the end. For round 3, start with an increase, then 2 single crochets. And repeat that sequence 6 times. That will give you a total of 24 stitches. From round 4 all the way to round 13, we're just cruising along with single crochet in every stitch. This is where our potato starts getting its cute chubby height. Once you're done with round 13, let's give our potato some personality. Embroider the eyes on round 11. Leaving about 4 stitches in between, so it looks nice and balanced. Then add little pink cheeks right beside each eye to make it extra cute. For round 14, let's start shaping our potato. Work 2 single crochets, then follow with 1 invisible decrease. Insert your hook into the front loop of the next 2 stitches. Yarn under and pull through, then yarn under again and pull through all the loops on your hook. Repeat this sequence 6 times. By the end of this round, you'll have 18 stitches. Now it's time to give our little potato some squishy life. Go ahead and fill it up with polyester fiber. Make it nice and fluffy, but not too tight so it stays soft. For the last 2 rounds, just follow the written pattern to decrease down and close up our little potato. When you're finished, cut the yarn tail, leaving enough for sewing. Then weave it in neatly to finish off. and then use the leftover yarn tail to stitch a little bump on the body. This will be our potato eye, the little bud that makes it extra realistic. To make it extra cute, let's add a little sprout on our potato. Just insert your hook into the bump we made earlier, yarn over and pull through. Chain 4, then slip stitch back into the same spot. Next, chain 5 and slip stitch into the same spot again. You can add the sprout anywhere you like. For example, I added one here like a little ribbon. So now we have a potato lady. Isn't she adorable? And that's it. Our super cute crochet potato is all done. You can dress it up with sprouts, cheeks, or even make it into a potato family. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fun crochet projects, and share your potato creations with me. And stay tuned, because more veggies are on the way in the next video. See you soon.